rubbish. Okay, I'll show you magic. I'll show you magic. Don't move, don't move. I want you to check these cups one by one. What is inside in the cups?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure it's nothing? Okay. Now let's go. Let's ready. Let's do it. Oh, give space for the magician.
Give space,
Give space for the magician. Give space for the magician. Now look at this, see? Now I want you to check this stuff one by one again. I want you to touch it inside and outside, okay? Because after I say abracadabra, you cannot check again. Because if you will touch the cup, do you know what's gonna happen to you? You will turn into a frog. Now, check the cups one by one. What is inside? What is outside? Check what is inside. What is outside?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing but something.
Okay, just put it here, put it here. Okay, give me space for the magician. Give space for the magician. Now look, what is inside?
Nothing.
Inside? Inside?
I get it.
What is inside?
Nothing. Say nothing.
No, there's nothing there. Outside?
Nothing.
Outside? How about the other two? Did you check this one? What is inside?
I'll follow. I'll find it.
Nothing.
It's all gone. Voila.
What is inside? Now, what is inside in the cup? What is
Nothing.
inside? Nothing, right? Now, keep your eyes open. Do not blink, okay? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, right? Now, look. I'm gonna put this one on top, bro. See that? Let me see. Still there. Say the magic word. Not yet. It's not done yet. Look. Do you check the cup one by one? Now, look at this. 2 and 1. Ready, girls? Keep your eyes open. Do not blink. Now, look at this. 1 plus 1. Say the magic word.
Magic.
Again. No, again. No. One more. Look. 1 here plus 1. Ready, girls? Are we ready? Now look at this. Let's put it in the top, bro. Yes. Say the magic word. No, because one of these one is a magic. Look at this. Look. We want to be a frog. Now look at this. Look. See that? Girls? Keep your eyes open. Blow. Say the magic word. Isn't there inside?